compared to President Zuma in the country. Wakhona ama-internet cafe, do you remember? Where we would go and do ama-CK, senze ama-BBE certificates and all that. Because ama-tenders were amaningi in such a way ukuthi abanye bewatshontsha nje bakusho igama lakababa. Uphethe upresident ongafundile. Now how come upresident ongafundile manje oyibillionaire? Ama-CKs waphethe kodwa ama-tender wekho. Nakhumbula ama-RDP webamaningi ngaphakathi bebawathengisa abanye ngomshikashika. Amakhansela wasakhona nokuthengisa i-RDP ngoba wekho bathengisa into engekho bakhimaza abantu babasikeme bathi uzokunika i-RDP uhlale i-RDP nini kufika abantu soyakhishwa. Comrades, I don't want to waste isikhathi kodwa ke nako ngifuna likubambe asiwasekeleni amaphoyisa wethu ngoba manje lephezulu ngithunywe ubaba nobaba uDuduzane bengihlalise phansi bathi mfana kithi sifuna indoda ezoma. Ngicela ukukhuluma isiZulu ngone inhlamba ngithi ngiswati mina ngikhuluma Swati. Neswati akuthukani igama nje lelo. Bathi sifuna indoda entoba namasenze lacinile. Siyayithuma nyala ngithi. Bangithuma leParliament nabafethu